If you are thinking about yourself that you know many words, all words are in your mind, and you have learned lots of vocabulary and you know the exact meaning of that word, but whenever you want to speak in your real life conversation, then you can't use them, then watch the video till the end because this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel English with Ma Madam. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the reason why we forget vocabulary while speaking, while conversation with anyone, and what is the solution of this problem. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Everybody knows that we need words for speak any language because without words we are not able to frame sentences, and without framing sentences we can't speak. Like if you have not any ingredients, then how can you cook any food? Sometimes we have lots of ingredients in our fridge, but still we don't know what to cook and how to cook. Is this ever happened to you? Similarly, happens with English language. We know lots of words, lots of vocabulary, but whenever we want to speak, we can't use them, and we don't know how to use them and what to say and where to use that word. And you lost that words, and why does it happen? Is it happened only with you? No. First of all, no, it's not only happened with you. It's happened with every English learners. I can feel it because it has happened with me in the past. So stop thinking that it is only happening with you. No, it's not only you. It's happened with everyone. So prepare your mind that it's normal, and while starting any language, while learning any language, it happens with everyone. So prepare your mind and relax. Relaxation is very important while learning any new language. Now come to the question that why it happens. If we have lots of words, then why we can't use while speaking and while conversation? Let me explain you. You have a fridge and there are lots of ingredients are kept in your fridge. You open the fridge and you see all the ingredients, and then you think for prepare something. But however, you don't see the ingredients, although they are kept in your fridge. You don't know what you have and what to make. Just like phrase, your mind is a storage. There are lots of vocabulary and lots of words. If you see that words in any books, and if you hear that words in any videos or any podcasts, wherever you hear that words, you recognize that words. You know the exact meaning of that words, but whenever you have to speak in your real life conversation, then you can't use them because you don't know how to use that word and where to use that word. Do you know, friends, what is the problem here? The problem is here that words are not active mode words. They are relaxed mode words. Now the question is, what is relaxed mode words and what is active mode words? There are two categories of words in our mind. One is active mode words and second is relaxed mode words. Now what is relaxed mode words and what is active mode words? Now what is active mode words? All the words that you know, and you can use that words in your conversation, and whenever you are writing you can use that words. That words are called active mode words. What is relaxed mode words? Relaxed mode word is that words that you have memorized before. If you see that words in any books, any texts, then you recognize that words. If you hear somewhere in any podcasts, any videos, you immediately recognize that words. You know the exact meaning of that words. But whenever you have to speak, you are not able to speak that words. You can't use them. That types of word is called relaxed mode words. It happens because many learners are only focused on learning lots of vocabulary, lots of words, but they are not practicing with that words. They are only keeping lots of words in his or her mind, but they are not using that words. Now let's talk about how to activate that words who is in relaxed mode in our mind. how will we activate that words? So don't worry, I am giving you 4 tips that if you will execute in your real life routine, then it will really helpful to activate your words. Number 1 tips is keep one personal diary with you. Next time, whenever you see new words in any book, any texts, and whenever you hear some words, some new words in any podcast, any videos, just write it down. You know, friends, many students what they are doing? They are only making long list of vocabulary, long list of words and that meanings, but they are not practicing with that words. So you should not stop here. If you want to memorize that word, so you have to practice with that words. Now come to the next point. Second step is you have to write at least 4 and 5 sentences with that words, at least 2 and 3 sentences with new word. It is very important for learning any new word because one words of English language has lots of meanings and different uses. That's why it is very important to see that words in sentences and how that word is being used in different sentences. It is very useful to see you. Like if you have a new word is close. Close means you are near something or somebody. And the second meaning is something is not open. Now come to the third step. Number third step is write down some collocations with that words. Their collocations means group of some words, they are often go together. Like comes closer, get close to the, seems closer, like this type. I am giving you some examples for this. He is very nervous because the date of examination come closer. Get close to the TV, get close to the radio, get close to the door, anything, but they are coming with get close to the. The two cricketers seemed very close. She was quite close to her aunt. She is very close to finish her work. Number fourth step is write the paragraph writing or some texts with that words that you have learned with the collocations. After that, whenever you get time, you take your dictionary and just start repeating at least for 5 minutes daily because it will help you to memorize vocabulary permanently in your mind. So, now I have cleared all the points. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel and thank you so much for listening me.